Alright, so today I'll be replacing the starter on my Nissan 350Z. And I'm replacing it because I've been having problems with the starter getting stuck and grinding. I got the car on jack stands and the battery disconnected. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're under the passenger side. You see this lower control arm right here and back there. Here is the starter. You got 14mm back here, one here, and one up here. Hopefully you can see that. And then you got that connector right there. And then you got a cable that connects to the battery right there. Alright, let's see. Get this connection off. Alright. So, take a little boot off. You start unscrewing it. Okay. Damn. Oh, my fucking finger. Ah! Hey. That was light. Alright, so I got the part of the stud from the starter that broke off. Look at that shit. Like when I turned the wrench, it literally just broke off, but I was able to get it off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab some sandpaper and sand here to clean off the area. That way it has like a good contact surface and it can get power right. And after that, we can start putting in the new starter. Alright, so this is the new starter I got. As you can see, the pinion doesn't just fucking slide out like the other one was. This does come with a different size nut. This is a 13. The one it comes with was a 12, but I got 13 here already. And we're just gonna put it in by wiggling it the same way we pulled out the old one. Oh, that's a good angle for y'all. Wow, that's a lot easier than I thought. Damn, it's a lot. Oh wait, I'm gonna stop. All we got left. Uh-oh. Just putting this back on. Damn it. Alright. Should be it. Now let's try to crank it. Alright. Let's see. Hell yeah. Nice. Alright, there you go. So I might have mentioned this already. The reason I replaced it was because I started having problems with the starter grinding and it getting stuck on crank. So that's why I replaced it. But hopefully I helped you, and I'll see you again next time.